everyone, this is Raja Supreme Master Yineng. I'm a disciple of Namo Exalting Emperor Maitreya Mr. Zhongchen, who is the founder of Maitreya Guandao. 皇天无极，后土为证，龙颜凤地，化育如来。Have you ever been to a place where, without a clear reason, you just felt joyful and energetic, or you felt tired and heavy, but the feeling was eased after leaving the place? It is undeniable that there are unseen forces everywhere surrounding us and influencing us. For some people who are more sensitive to the energy field, they may have deeper feelings than others. That feeling can be regarded as a message from their soul that help to pursue the good fortune and avoid the disasters in advance. There are many people worldwide try to find places with great energy field that can recharge their inner power or help on their spiritual promotion so that they can do meditation or spiritual healing there. Some people call that kind of place is energy vortexes, which contain more earthly energies than any normal place would, and where we may feel more connected to divine energy and cosmic intelligence. From some people's point of view, the most well-known energy vortex include Sedona in Arizona of the United States, Stonehenge in England, Mayan ruins in Mexico, and so on. Spirituality is still a prevailing trend in the world. That is, more and more people emphasize the spiritual healing and spiritual promotion, so that the energy vortex are still continuously being discovered around the world. Taiwan, my hometown, is an island located in the Western Pacific Ocean. Several years ago, one Dutch bioscientist, Dr. Jan van Etten, came to Taiwan. Through some scientific measurement, he found astonishing energy in Taiwan that even exceeded the energy in Sedona of the United States and any other place he had ever been. So we believe Taiwan is also a great place for spiritual healing in the world. Maitreya Guandao, which guide people on celestial potential development and spiritual elevation, so far have 10 sites chosen in Taiwan as its sacred places. Those places are selected by the founder of Maitreya Guandao, Namo Exalting Emperor Maitreya Mr. Zhongchen, with the enlightenment and message from the deities. Those sacred places are connected to heavenly energies from spiritual perspective, so that we can sense the powerful purifying energies and receive the enlightening power leading to our spiritual promotion. If people have stronger spiritual sensing, like their eye, then they can see the deity there or smell the delicate fragrance, because the divine flower Yudambra continues to spread in the sacred places of Maitreya Guandao since 2017. Take myself for example. I'm quite sensitive to the energy field, and I do experience the extraordinary energy in the sacred places of Maitreya Guandao when doing meditation. I can sense the powerful purifying energy rushing down above to cleanse and activate my aura. Then I feel more comfortable and relieved. Another impressive experience was through my spiritual sensing ability, I ever got the location right for one sacred place of Maitreya Guandao due to its awesome energy field, quite different from other places nearby. Even though that was my first time there, and there was no clear sign for identification because the sacred place was still under construction that time. So you can see those sacred places of Maitreya Guandao do have extraordinary energy field to distinguish themselves from others. Due to COVID-19 pandemic, it may not be convenient for traveling now, but if you have chance to visit Taiwan in the future, I strongly recommend you to stop by these 10 secret places of Metroid Guandao to sense and absorb the ocean energy that can help us on creative thinking, meditation, mind and body healing, and even spiritual promotion. And I will list down the address information of these secret places of Metroid Guandao available for visiting so far in the description of this video for your easy reference. Okay, that's it for today, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and share this video, and subscribe my YouTube channel if you are interested. See you next time. Bye bye.